Hey Arctic Warriors, what's up? Arctic Phoenix here. Just crushed Primo yesterday. On 112.88. They some bit too little too late. Baker Mayfield got 18.66. Aaron Jones 20. Reem Hunt 12. Nakua 21. Malik Neighbors just about below 12.5. News just above 15.5. Lockett 4. Now our defense, dumpster fire, but then again, we're playing the Packers. And Brandon Audrey, automatic. My home, I had Bo Nick, who looks solid. Andres, him, Metcalf got 10, and the rest of the team looked pretty solid outside Chargers D. And good thing the won this week. Still have to win my next two, and one of my opponents have to lose their next two, which I doubt, but here's what it is, unfortunately. So, this is my update. Who am I facing? My next opponent is Yeet 1, so it's definitely a must-win for me. Lose a C game, season over. Thank you, have a nice day, peace.